Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So this week, the drinks are going to be all about Japan because I'll be in Japan on vacation for my birthday, the big 5-0. Anywho, one thing Japanese love are their highballs. So what I got going on today is a green tea highball. All right. So first, we're going to have to start off with some Japanese whiskey. And we got some Suntory whiskey, some Tuki. All right, we got to go 2 ounces of Japanese whiskey. Next, we got to go 2 ounces of fresh brewed and chilled green tea. So I brewed this and put it in the fridge to chill it. We're going to go 2 ounces. Next, we're going to give it a good stir in our glass. We're going to use this glass. All right, I'm going to add a little bit more ice to it. All right, to make it a highball, officially, you got to top it off with some sparkling carbonated water. So I got a club soda. We're going to top it off with the club soda. I don't think I can stir this that much, but anywho, just a little. Anyway, there you got it. A green tea highball. Cheers. It's not a bad drink. I mean, maybe the green tea was sweet, but I didn't sweeten it. I just straight green tea with maybe adds a little bit to it because there's no sweetness to it. It's just straight whiskey, green tea, and club soda, which none of this has anything sweet in it, but maybe some sweet green tea would be better. But this isn't bad at all. I could drink a couple of these. Eating some ramen. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And until next time, cheers.